Many customers are troubled by too many choices when purchasing metal cutting machines. Today, I have sorted out the different cutting ranges of different machines for you. The fiber laser cutting machine, carefully built by Perfect Laser, has shown high performance in the processing of metal plates such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and mild steel. Its cutting speed is amazing, up to 20 meters/minute, while ensuring the ultimate cutting accuracy. The machine is equipped with a wide range of laser power, ranging from 1500 W to 6000 W, which can easily handle metal cutting tasks within 20 millimeters. What's more worth mentioning is that we provide a variety of well-known laser brands to choose from, including IPG, Raycus, Max, JPT, as well as fiber optic manipulator cutting machines, to fully meet your diverse processing needs. Perfect Laser's water jet cutting machine is specially designed for processing metal within 100 millimeters. With a cutting accuracy of up to 0.1 millimeters and a precise kerf of 0.8 to 1.2 millimeters, it ensures that every cut is accurate. Its high performance makes the processing of complex metal materials easy. Perfect Laser's plasma cutting machine product line is rich, including desktop, gantry CNC, large cantilever flame cutting machine, and mini portable flame plasma cutting machine, and other models. By selecting different plasma power supplies, these models can flexibly cope with metal cutting tasks in the range of 0 to 120 millimeters, while maintaining an excellent cutting accuracy of 1 millimeter. Our CO₂ laser hybrid cutting machine, with leading technology, can handle the cutting challenges of metal and non-metal materials at the same time, such as stainless steel, wood, medium fiberboard, and plastic. For stainless steel, it can easily handle cutting of 1 to 2 millimeters thickness, and in terms of carbon steel, it can even reach a cutting capacity of 1 to 3 millimeters. Hot-selling models include 1300 by 900 millimeters small laser mixed cutting machine and 1300 by 2500 millimeters large laser metal and non-metal mixed cutting machine, which can meet the needs of production lines of different sizes. This handheld laser welding machine integrates 3 functions of welding, cleaning, and cutting, and can be flexibly switched through a 3-in-1 control system. It has multiple built-in safety alarm devices to ensure the safety of the operation process. At the same time, its operation is simple and flexible, fully meeting the diverse needs of different customers in different usage scenarios. If you are interested in our machine, please leave a message or call us. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.